In today's video, I will teach you how to remove text from an image in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, then select Open to open the image that you want to edit. Now we're going to select the text area. To do this, select the lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, or quick selection tool from the toolbar to outline the text area that you want to remove. If needed, go to Select, then Modify to adjust your selection, or go to Select and Refine Edge to improve the edges of the selection. With the text area selected, go to Edit, then Fill. In the Fill dialog box, select Content Aware from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to let Photopea fill the selection with surrounding pixels. Alternatively, you can use the Clone Stamp tool. Select the Clone Stamp tool in the toolbar, then hold Alt and click on the area near the text to define the source point. Then brush over the text area to paint over it with the sampled pixels. For cleaning up, you can either use the Healing Brush tool or the Patch tool. Select the Healing Brush tool from the toolbox, then paint over the areas that needed additional blending or correction to make the removal less noticeable. And if the text removal affects the larger area, you can use the Patch tool. Select the area that you want to repair and drag it to the clean part of the image to patch it. Now zoom in by pressing Ctrl+ to ensure the text removal looks natural and that there are no visible artifacts. And to keep your work with layers intact, go to File, then Save as PSD, and to save your edited image, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred format, like JPEG or PNG. Then adjust the export settings if necessary, and click Save to download your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.